If you're posting reels on Facebook but you're not making money from your reels, in this video I'm going to show you how to get invited into the program and how to apply for it. Ads on Reels is a program offered by Meta, allowing content creators to monetize their reels by showing advertisements and getting a split from the revenue. Basically, the more views you get on your reels, the more money you can make. But the main issue we have right now is that there's no eligibility requirements for ads on reels. So what I'm gonna show you in this video is the process that we typically follow for our Facebook pages whenever we wanna get into the ads on reels program. Because as long as we're making content for our Facebook pages, we wanna make sure we're monetizing in as many different ways as possible. So here are the 3 steps that you need to follow if you wanna get access to ads on reels. Number 1, you have to be posting reels. If you're not posting reels, chances of you getting invited into the program actually diminish. Typically what we do is the first 3 months, the first 90 days of launching a brand new Facebook page, we post a lot of reels. We want to make sure that we're getting as many views as we possibly can and essentially open the doors to that invitation of monetizing our reels. In most cases, we really don't have to do that much because we know exactly how to go viral on Facebook, and so we get that invite automatically, allowing us to monetize our reels. In some cases, you do have to push a little bit in order to get into the program, which brings me to the second step, which is reaching out to Meta. There's a section within your Facebook dashboard that allows you to submit a form telling Meta that you're interested in the program Ads on Reels. So in order to submit that form and reach out to Meta, this is what you got to do. Go to your Facebook app and make sure you're logged in as your Facebook page. Then what you want to do is click on Professional Tools and simply find the monetization option. Once you click on that option, it'll tell you exactly all the different tools that you have available to set up for that specific Facebook page. So what we want to do is click specifically on ads on reels. So on this page, you will get a little bit more information about this program, which shows get plays to earn money. Earnings are based on the monetization plays that eligible reels receive. And if we scroll a little bit down, you can see the availability for this specific tool. It says this tool isn't available to you yet. We're working on making it available to all creators and we'll let you know when it becomes available. So just like Instagram ads has specific criteria that you need to meet in order to apply, for ads on reels, this is not available right now. As Meta is saying, it will become available, and I'm guessing it will be available to all content creators in the next few months. As of now, the only way to get in is by getting that invite. So what we do is we click on that I'm interested in button, and this is going to open a little form that is going to allow us to submit why we want to get into the ads on reels program. And what you want to say is essentially, hey, we have this Facebook page, provide the link to your Facebook page, and also say we have X amount of views in the last 30 days from our reels, and we believe we're a good match for the ads on reels program. And then you submit that form and just wait. And like I said, in some cases, we get the invite fairly quick. In other cases, it takes a while, a couple of weeks to get that invite. But as long as you're posting reels while you're in that process and getting a lot of views, your chances of getting that invite are going to increase. Which brings me to step number 3, which is applying for ads on reels. From within your Meta Business Suite, you can essentially see the process of applying for ads on reels. And the process is quite simple. It's clicking a few buttons and basically you have ads on reels set up. Now, once you're approved for ads on reels, all your reels are now monetized. However, here's the golden tip that will allow you to monetize and make as much money from your reels the first month. Go back to your most popular reels in the past 90 days. And what you can do is 2 different options. You can recreate some of those reels because they have been proven to work and get a lot of views, or 2, you can delete those reels and re-upload those reels again. Because you're now monetized, it will allow you to monetize those reels, and because those reels did really well organically and got probably a few thousand, if not millions of views, by simply re-uploading those reels, it will allow you to go viral a second time. This is what we typically do, and we get millions of views from the same reels we posted months ago. Of course, this only works when you're not monetized and you were getting a lot of views, but once you're monetized, you want to keep those reels in there and just keep making more reels to essentially double down on what's working so you get to make more money. And if you really want to maximize your revenue and get as many views as you possibly can, then watch this video right here where I broke down exactly everything that I learned from generating over 1 billion views on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.